Hey you guys, it is XX here, and I'm going to be showing you how to fix a scratched disc. I have my Assassin's Creed Brotherhood here, and it is scratched. You can't see what it is. All you need is toothpaste and a running faucet. What you're gonna do is you're gonna uncap your toothpaste, put it on. Yeah, that's about how much you should put on. And then you rub it in a circular motion, like so. And I will get back to you guys as soon as this is, as soon as this is done. Hey you guys, we're back, and when you're done, it should look a little bit like this. And then what you want to do is let it sit there for about 5 minutes. And I will get back to you in 5 minutes. 5. Hey you guys, I have my coffee Black Ops that I've been doing for about 5 minutes. Waiting for the Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. Get that in 3 more minutes. So I will do this one to actually show you, and then I will do my Assassin's Creed. I'm gonna go check on the ps3 to see if it works. Alright, here's the Black Ops being launched. Until it's dry, and I'll get back to you with that Assassin's Creed as soon as it's done. Hey you guys, I'm back. Yeah, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood has been sitting for about 5 minutes. We're gonna wash it and then do the test, see if it works. I will get back to you when I do the 2-disc and try out the test. Alright, you guys, we're back. We have the 2-disc, Black Ops, and Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. Alright, here's the one thing. I'm pretty sure Black Ops is not going to work because of that giant crack in the middle. So we'll just try it. I don't think it's gonna work. As a matter of fact, I do think it's not gonna work. I guess we'll just put it in. See if it loads it. Alright, I hope you guys heard that. It sounds like it's going in, and then it sounds like it's going out at the same time. That's what she said. But yeah, the thing was just moving, and nothing's showing up. That game is toast, and it will never work. I need to throw this in the garbage and get a new one. Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. This did not work. Because I tried to upload a video and of me trying to do a walkthrough on this game, and it just didn't work for some odd reason. The story mode, it kept on going blank onto that red screen whenever I tried to start a new game. So let's try it. I hope it works. Ugh. And it's there. Good job. Good deal.
I just want to see if the story mode will work, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, you guys, like I said, it didn't work when I started a new game when I tried to make a walkthrough, but let's try this. It kept on staying on this screen and it would not load, and it just froze. Are you serious? I will try again restarting the game and I'll get back to you. Alright, you guys, we're gonna try to do this again. Delete this. Yes. Session. Skip this place too. Let's try it.
I don't think anyone ever expects
Alright.
to wake up one morning.
So that is working. The intro movie is working. This is the part that wasn't working. It's gonna take like 10-20 seconds because I guess it's loading up the whole game, and it froze. Okay, apparently this method does not work, and whatever. Peace.